Thank you, Coach. What's your expectation from the Bula Boys in this game? Are you aiming to win? Or?
Yeah, I never aim a game to lose or to draw. No. We want to win. We don't know. We don't have so many information. I got few image of them, but I got it. I expect that the youth take their own position in the team. They need now to show up. So this game are made for that. I want to expose them because they are used in a pro club. Because some already the coach requested me if he can scout our player. Obviously, it's the aim goal is to expose them and to most of all the youth to make them maybe becoming a professional player, which is very good. Then we want to win all the game. It will be hard, but the young, they have to carry on, to take the responsibility, to know that when they represent Fiji, it's honor, and they have to be proud of that. After, they have to be surrounded by the more experienced player, but 90% of the team will be renewed. We prepare Japan also because there is a lot of youth under 23 for this. Is my aim goal behind this also, to prepare the youth for the qualifier for the Japan Olympic.
Okay, that's for the youth, Coach. What's the plans moving forward for the national team?
National team, now we will have a big gap when I will not see the player, because I will be focused also on the coach and to speak with all the club. We will have a symposium as soon as I will get back to Fiji, because there is too much difference between international level and the Vodafone Premier League. We have to increase this level, and everyone will be happy of that. Believe me, in the future. I need just the help of the president, of the coaches. I will be hard on the coaches now. They have to apply the modern way of soccer, because it will be good for Fiji and for the Fijian soccer. But we have also to help the district in this way. It's very important. Our task is that. Secondly, I hope that I will make maybe 1 or 2 small camp, 2-3 days just to check the national player weight, make a following process about how they are, etc. Mentally also, it's very important. And after that, in June, if we can make a good tournament with maybe they are interested. Estonia want to make partnership to play every year against us. Indonesia too. Now Philippines requested it, so it means Fiji more or less are interesting for them to play, and for us it gives us a big experience. So if we can do a tournament, we are speaking with the president of Fiji FA, Mr. Patel, the CEO, Mr. Tarunesh Reddy also, how to organize it in Fiji, because it is important also that our people see Fijian soccer in Fiji. But as we are small, for the moment we have no choice. When they ask us to move, we move. And one day I hope that they will have pleasure to come in Fiji. Then after will be important, September, October and November, we will have a camp and international window. We will play against a strong team, stronger than us, as usual. If you want to grow up, you don't go in small level, you go in highest level to give us feedback. And after we will have 2019 the Pacific game. We need to go there and to be ready to perform at our best level. Let's see how it will be. I have to think about, and it's already planned until 2026 strategic plan. Let's see how we can get in step by step. But a game like yesterday, it's always additional things to bring us to the best level. And you have seen the boy; they really they have increased their level from one half to the second half, it was good, but it was not enough. We need to work more. Problem is that I have always to restart from the ground. I would like increase the general level, then I can have another step in the soccer.
Thank you, coach. All the best for the next game.
Thank you, Shamal.